Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a multi-device mockup in Smartmockups, a web-based app with which you can create different types of professional product mockups. So I'm logged into my Smartmockups account. In this menu up top, you'll see various categories of mockup templates. I'll hover my mouse over technology. You'll see these subcategories. I'll choose multiple devices. And you'll see this page displaying all the multiple device mockup templates. As you can see here, there are some preset filters. Let me scroll down, and I'll scroll down again. I'll choose this mockup template, so I'll click on it, and it'll open the mockup editor. This is the preview section, and in this section to the right, you can edit the mockup template. You can click this button to upload an image for the phone. You'll see several options. I'll choose Upload Image. I'll navigate to my folder, choose my image, and click Open. So the image has been uploaded. You can click this Edit button if you wish to edit it, and it'll bring you to this page where you can adjust the image if you need to, and then click Crop and Continue. So we are back to the editor. Next, we need to upload an image or video to the laptop. So I'll click on the Upload button. You'll see these options. This time let's upload a video. I'll navigate to my folder, choose my video, and click Open. And as you can see, it's uploaded the video to the laptop, and that looks pretty cool. Similarly, you can click this Edit button if you need to edit it, and it'll bring you to this page where you can adjust the video if you need to, and then click the Crop and Continue button. And we're back to the editor. You can use this crop button, then choose a crop preset. I'll stick with the original size. And once you're done, click the Download button. Choose one of these video resolutions. I'll go with medium. And the video will be processed and downloaded to your browser. And here's how the multi-device mockup came out. As you can see, the video is playing in the laptop, and the image in the phone is a static image. Check the link in the description section to try Smartmockups for free. Well, hope you found the Smartmockups tutorial helpful. You can check this video to learn more about Smartmockups. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.